Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Park the Mini Countryman on a level surface and set the parking brake. This ensures an accurate dipstick reading. Run the engine 3 to 5 minutes to bring oil to operating temperature, then switch off and wait 5 minutes for oil to settle into the sump. Gather tools, a clean rag, a long funnel, a 1L measuring bottle or pump, and the manufacturer recommended oil, commonly 0W30 synthetic or BMW Long Life, 04 for many engines. Wear gloves and ensure the engine. Open the bonnet and locate the oil filler cap and dipstick. Remove the dipstick and wipe it clean with a rag. Replace the dipstick fully, remove it again to record the current level, then remove the oil filler cap and insert a long funnel. Add oil in 1L 100 ml increments through the funnel. After each addition, wait 10 seconds, reinsert the dipstick and check the level. Continue adding until the dipstick reads at or just below the max mark, stopping before the top avoids overfill. When the level is correct, remove the funnel, securely tighten the oil filler cap, and wipe any spilled oil from the engine bay to prevent smoke or odor. Start the engine for 30 seconds to circulate fresh oil, then switch off and wait 1 minute before rechecking the dipstick. Drive the car for a short route and recheck again after 50 to 100 km to ensure the level remains stable. Log the date, added quantity and mileage, and inspect underneath for leaks. Never exceed the max mark to prevent engine damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.